Hello, this is Drake's with Drake's LawnCare, back with another video. Today I'm standing up. Feel like I'm standing up today. I feel good, feel excited because Friday, Saturday, Sunday is sunny. So pretty fire. But anyways, let's get on to the video. This video will be 3 things that can save you money in lawn care or landscaping in your business. So the first thing I would suggest is sharpening up your blades. Sharpening up your blades can teach you a lot of things. You can use an angle grinder. You can go to my video in the description below to get the blade sharpening kit that sells at Tractor Supply. I have it in a link in the description. You guys can check that out. And the thing about sharpening blades is you could do it quick, you could do it easy. If you can see my hands, you could do it quick, you could do it easy, you could do it by yourself, and also you don't have to pay extra money to sharpen up your blades, and you don't have to wait a week or 2 just to get the blades back because you're trying to make more money. So sharpen up your blades, that's number 1. Number 2 is pretty basic, but I recommend if you're just starting and you don't want to do the work but you have to, is maintenance. Have one specific day. If you're doing 10 yards a day, of course if you're doing less than that, maybe you don't have to do maintenance, but I still suggest it at least once a week. Just check on your equipment, check your oil, check your gas, your basic stuff. Clean your equipment if you want to. It just makes it look nicer. And just check your stuff. You want to make sure it's clean and ready to go for the next job you do. So number 3 is letting your clients take pictures of their property or looking up their property. Meaning that they can send you an address, you can look up their property on your Yardbook or Google Maps, and or they can send up pictures of the property which they're comfortable with and estimate a price for that. And the reason why I suggest this because it saves a lot of gas. If you have to go for one client 10 minutes forward just to give an estimate, 10 minutes back, that's a 20-minute drive. That's wasting a lot of gas. And now these days it's gonna be a lot of money. So you want to make sure you can make your own scheduling. Make sure your clients don't get a hold on you. Don't make sure you save as much time as humanly possible because time is money. And make sure you do most of everything by yourself. And that leads to number 4. Be creative. Sometimes you have to maybe buy that blade. Maybe it's worth it buying that lawnmower even though you just got one a year ago. Maybe. But being frugal with your items and using things surroundings, like if your friend has an extra blade you can get that. Don't buy another blade. Just use things to your surroundings. If you have a broken down lawnmower, which is better than the old one you have, maybe fix the broken down lawnmower and use that one. So really you have to focus on being creative and frugal with your items. That's what I'm doing right now. I am 3 months and 23 days the time of this recording into my business, and I'm learning a lot. Business is slow, I will admit, but I'm still learning, still trying, and still pushing. Well, that's the 3 things I have with the bonus tip. You could check the blade sharpening kit video down in the description below and the link for that. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and follow my social media account. Bye guys.